My name is Luigi Groton. I'm the Vice President of Nutrition Education at Herbalife, and I serve on the company's Nutrition Advisory Board. Today I'd like to give you an inside look at the science behind our products and offer you valuable information about the kind of nutritional intake that leads to a healthy, active lifestyle. Our product range can be customized according to your specific needs and goals. During this DVD, you'll learn how Herbalife products can help you manage your weight, reach your fitness goals, look your best through caring for your skin and body, as well as address any specific nutritional needs that you may have. All of this starts with bringing your nutrition into balance, which I'll walk you through now. I've spent a large part of my professional life studying the effects of nutrition on the human body. What I can tell you is that your health is often affected by your body being deprived of the essential nutrients it needs to function properly. In short, a lack of balanced nutrition. See, most of us today lead busy or stressful lifestyles with little time to make healthy food and drink choices. And with fast foods and other snacks readily available, your body often misses out on necessary vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein. The simple truth is that a surprising number of people aren't getting the balanced nutrition that they need. There are many reasons for this. Large portion meals, snacking, sandwiches, unhealthy ready meals are often the culprit. Also, lack of time, knowledge, or desire, missing lunch, then compensating with a large dinner. This means many of us are still not getting healthy, balanced nutrition throughout the day. I want to show you an example of what a quick, convenient meal could be for you. Some people choose a burger with French fries and a fizzy drink, while others may opt for a donut, muffin, or cake. You may or may not know is these choices are likely to be high in calories, fat, sugar, and salt. The burger alone could have well over 500 calories, and they're low in fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. What your body needs is balanced nutrition, food with moderate calories, good sources of protein, sufficient fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. How would you feel if this was available in an easy solution, such as a shake, that you can prepare in as little as a minute and gives the healthy nutrients you need? At Herbalife, we really do have simple and highly effective nutrition solutions for you, starting with the core nutrition products. Whether you're 18 or 80, male or female, or following any manner of lifestyle, balanced nutrition is a must for anyone wanting to lead a healthy, active lifestyle. Our unique core products provide you with all the daily nutrients that your body needs to help you look and feel your absolute best. The first step in our quest for balanced nutrition begins with core product Formula One Shake, a healthy meal replacement. You know, every day in excess of 1 million shakes are consumed around the world. That's incredible, isn't it? So why do so many people choose to include Formula One as part of their daily nutrition program? Well, Formula One contains just the right combination of ingredients for a healthy meal. It contains soy protein, which is known to have many nutritional benefits. For example, it's excellent for sustained energy due to its slow, steady release, so you won't feel your energy levels fluctuate throughout the day. Soy can help you to maintain healthy cholesterol levels as well when consuming 25 grams per day as part of a diet low in saturated fat. And it's great in helping you build lean muscle mass as part of your fitness regime. Actually, I have a shake every morning before I work out to build up my carbs and protein. It's a great way to prepare my body for exercise. Now, to help you optimize your caloric intake, we've specifically prepared Formula One to contain only 220 calories per serving. Now, this is when it's mixed with 250 milliliters of semi-skim milk. If you consume one shake a day for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and you have 2 healthy meals, you can improve your nutritional intake and help maintain your ideal weight. Now, if you want to manage your weight while ensuring that you're getting the proper nutrients, then you consume 2 shakes a day in place of 2 regular meals. You need to ensure that your third meal, though, is well balanced. Now, always remember your basics. Drink at least 2 liters of water per day with 5 servings of fruits and vegetables, moderate exercise, and you will have a winning formula for success. Compare this to the unhealthy meals we spoke about earlier. You can see how Formula One's a quick, healthy meal replacement that helps you provide balanced nutrition. 220 calories versus over 500 calories. It's not a difficult choice, is it? Now, flavor-wise, we offer a variety of delicious choices. There's vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, tropical fruit for those of you with a sweet tooth, creamy cappuccino, plus cookies and cream, which tastes great and gives it a cereal crunch. I'm now going to prepare a vanilla Formula One shake to show you a couple of ways to do it. One way is to make a shake on the go. Just watch how quick and simple this is. Just pour 250 milliliters of milk, then mix with 2 tablespoons of Formula One from the tub, or alternatively with one of these convenience-sized sachets. It's so easy. Now, give it a quick shake until the two are blended, and your healthy meal is now ready to go. How long was that? 30 seconds tops? Now, the other way to prepare a Formula One shake is the gourmet way. My preferred way, of course. Ideally, you'll need a blender for this route. Now, what you want to do is pour in your milk, remember about 250 milliliters of milk. Now, this vanilla flavor is absolutely fantastic as a base. Remember, we're doing 2 level scoops. We can simply put those in to our milk, okay, right in the blender. Now, this vanilla flavor is absolutely fantastic as a base, but then we get the fruit in there. Now, these are some of my favorite fruits. We've got raspberries, strawberries, pineapple, but my personal favorite is banana. I simply add my bananas, and it's just awesome. Now, you simply mix it all up. Very simple. And voila. Takes just a second. We simply pour our shake. Now, I've got a delicious shake that only took me a couple seconds to make. Oh, this is fantastic. If you don't believe me, try it yourself. So there you have it. Formula One really is suitable for any of you, irrespective of whether your needs are related to weight management, energy and fitness, the prime of life, or simply managing a busy, active lifestyle. But don't take my word for it. Let's have a look at what some of our customers have to say about it and how they really did feel the difference.
I started Herbalife because I wanted a personalized approach to weight management. I had a coach supporting me and giving me advice. Once I reached my weight goals, I continued taking Formula One shakes for good nutrition and well-being. I know I can trust Herbalife, and I can't get through the day without my favorite vanilla shake.
I have a busy lifestyle and young children, so I need a convenient meal that tastes great and is something I can trust to provide me with the very best nutrition. That's why I love my Formula One shakes, because they're a healthy meal in a glass, something that I can rely on.
This is what Herbalife's incredible science has developed for you. Easy-to-use products backed by science that you can trust. You know, millions of people have experienced tremendous results, better energy levels, weight management, and more confidence.